This process documents how to upload and manage drawing files within the WeldTrace application. It ensures accurate tracking and integration of drawing documents for welding projects. Click here to upload the drawing files. The drawing PDF files must be named in this format, drawing number and the revision number separated by an underscore. Click Upload Drawing to open the dialog for uploading new drawing files. Select the drawing files to upload. Click Upload Files to start uploading the selected drawing files to the project. WeldTrace will check if the file names match the drawing number and revision, and if so, you will see Match appear in green. If the files are no match or duplicates, they will be ignored. Click OK to close this window. The drawings will be processed and uploaded to the secure online repository. Once the upload process is completed, you will start to additional icons appear in the info column. Depending on the number of files and the size of the files, this process could take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. You will see the paperclip icons that indicate a file is present for the drawing. You can click on it to open the drawing. This process successfully uploads drawing files into WeldTrace, ensuring proper selection, upload, and confirmation of drawings for welding project management. The uploaded drawings are added to the project for further processing.